Hey, I bet you've heard of Dave Ramsey and Ramsey Solutions. Dave is a worldwide known TV and radio personality who specializes in helping people get debt-free.
Bo and I have been selling real estate for 24 years. And we are on here today to tell you that we are honored to be endorsed as Ramsey Trusted Pros for Real Estate for the last 5 years. Why does that matter? Why is it important that you work with a Ramsey Trusted Pro?
Well, one, let me tell you, we share the same values. We believe in Ramsey's mission and teachings. We are here to walk alongside you and help you win on your journey.
And we give service that you deserve. We value service and serving over selling. And we're dedicated to offering excellent customer service.
And also, real relationships are very important to Nikki and I. We work closely with the Ramsey team to make sure that we meet their high standards. We care about helping you and helping you make the best decisions for you and your family.
And we are worthy of your trust. We have the full backing of the Ramsey team that has helped millions get out of debt and stay out of debt and work toward financial peace.
We look forward to working with you, your friends, and your family. No obligation, so text us, call us, DM us. There's no strings attached. We just want to hear your story and see how we can help you on your journey.